welcome back. It is your feel-good breakfast show, Expresso on S3. And next up, we continue our very exciting journey to the world of Forex trading in partnership with Octa FX, a reliable global Forex broker and trading platform. Now, Octa FX has offered a high-end trading experience to more than, listen to this, 12 million accounts in 150 countries. Now, stay tuned with us as we make trading a little bit more clear.
Welcome back as we take a financial term and hopefully empower you with an amazing tool, in fact, a whole toolkit. So we're talking about Forex trading at the moment, and it gives you the opportunity to invest by trading a wide variety of currency pairs, speculating on global events, seen some big ones lately, and of course the relative strength of minor and major economies. Now, Lesiba Mothupi, founder of Forex Chasers, joins us again this morning in studio to tell us a little bit more about Forex, some of those Forex myths, and where we can start to trade. Lesiba, welcome back, my brother. Really, really good to be connecting with you. And thank you for doing this. Thank you for guiding people into what could be a life-changing decision. But we need to have our eyes opened. So maybe a good place to start, I'm going to ask you to dumb this down as much as possible so I can try to understand. But how does Forex differ from other investment vehicles? What sets it apart, do you think?
Okay, I think one of the reasons that Forex differs from other instruments or ways that you can trade is the fact that what you're doing here is that you are trading currencies. So when you're trading currencies, it's like you looking at one currency over the next. And what you can do is that you can speculate which one is going to gain strength. And on top of that, you are able to make profit doing so. And
it's exciting. I mean, if you want to get into the trading game and kind of get onto the, I say cowboy more loosely because you've got to have a bit of grit and you've got to have I would imagine, pretty strong nerves to deal, but then the outcome, what you can draw out of that in terms of your value extraction is so much higher. That being said, as soon as you talk Forex, I think I'm at the mercy of things out of my control and it terrifies me. What are some of the big fears or maybe those myths or misconceptions around Forex?
Yeah, I think one of the big myths is the fact that, like, most people think that you need a lot of capital to get started, which is not true. And one of the fears that people have is the fact that, like, you can lose all your capital at once. And with me, I started trading with less than $100. And on top of that, yes, I did lose all of my capital at that once. But I noticed that the mistake that I made was the fact that I didn't put what we call a stop loss, which it helps you preserve the capital or just lose a specific amount of capital instead of all of your money at once.
This all says to me, you need someone who's going to guide you.
Yeah.
Again, it's your money.
Yeah.
It's trust.
Yeah.
How do you know you've got the right broker? What sort of questions should you be asking? How do we approach that?
I think the first thing that you should ask or you should look at is if that broker is regulated in your country. So once you've got that done, you should also look at how that broker is actually willing to go help you into becoming a better or successful trader. So one thing that I like is that with Octa FX, they have what we call like daily live trading sessions. They also have like signals that they provide and even webinars that you can learn from. So those are things that you should look at when trading, and as well some of the legal steps that are needed, like those.
Because hopefully you're going to be dealing with some big amounts at some point, so you want to make sure that the foundation is secure. I certainly get that. Well, you said you started with $100 or thereabouts.
Less than that.
Less than that. So how much do I actually need to get started, and what's that first step?
In terms of the first step, or let me just start off first with the capital. The amount of money, the minimum that you can start off with is like $50, which is close to like 800 rands when you're converting it to rands. But the first step that you can do is to look for the instruments that you'll be trading. So when you are seeing that this is the instruments that I'll be trading, you can now dive a bit more deeper and develop a trading plan. A trading plan consists of a strategy, consists of like, the market conditions and as well the time schedules that you'll be trading. So those are the steps that you can take in order of you to trade.
What I love about this is it's almost like a real-time living degree in finance, because you're living the practical element every single day. Yes, the mistakes are going to burn you, but probably a little bit more. But the fact that you've got this cushion with a tool like that around you, like you say, you get the tips, you get the trends, you get the opportunity to ask those questions. It's almost like having a mentor to help guide you through that process, which we know is essential. One tip. What do you think is the thing that sets you apart? What has allowed you to be successful in this space?
I think one of the things that helped me be able to also succeed a bit more better in trading was the fact that I looked at the long-term picture. So instead of like focusing on what I can make today or what I can pull from the markets just now, I looked at what the markets can do for me in the longer term run. And the fact that the market helps you with the psychology, it helps me be able to just, make the right decisions, stay disciplined in the markets, and as well, even in my personal life. So it helped me massively.
Buddy, I can see where you're at, and you are shining, bro. But I love the fact that you are shining for other people. You are shining to cast light on other people's lives, which is amazing, guy. So thank you, my bro.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I'm going to stay friends with this guy for as long as I can. You can dream big and achieve even bigger with Octa FX. You can invest as well. Yes, you at home can do it. So your starting point, download the Octa FX trading app and start investing today. Octa FX is your safe space for investing, and it provides what sounds like comprehensive analytical tools to help you along that incredible journey. I'm talking about daily technical analysis, economic forecasts, to completely understand the latest currency trends so you are empowered to make your choices, live trading sessions, and webinars that get interactive, providing Forex news to stay up to date. And that Octa FX app allows you to deposit funds, monitor trades, and of course manage your trading account in one safe place. And you can download the app right now on Google Play or Apple Store, and I suggest you do it and start that financial journey right now.
Hey, what's that?
This is OctaFX, a new accessible platform to trade Forex on global markets.
Cool. What's a Forex?
It's short for foreign exchange, trading currencies.
Buy low, sell high. Score points, right?
Exactly.
What's leverage?
It's like you got cool friends. They vouch for you, and you can trade it big.
Precisely.
So basically it's an app where you learn and trade, and it's safe, and it looks good.
That about sums it up here. OctaFX, trading made clear.